When you were back to school shopping, getting ready to set up your first dorm, what were some of the must haves? What were things that everyone had, you needed to buy, things that you can't forget?
Get a mattress topper or
Hmm.
mattress cover because the the dorm beds are very uncomfortable. So definitely invest in a mattress topper.
Yeah, that's good advice for sure.
Must have is like really comfortable blankets because sometimes the bedding you get in the dorm rooms is not the best. So you get some nice sheets, some nice comfortable bedding, and sleep pretty soundly.
This year, I got an air fryer, like,
Hmm.
a little it's like kind of a little baby one, and it's so easy to cook anything in there. You can make a whole meal. I really recommend one.
So I brought like a ton of notebooks and pencils and pens, just all these different things that you would normally have for high school. And then I realized, oh, everything is really on the computer. So I think just make sure you have a reliable computer, or if you don't, that you have access to one on campus.
I feel like for me, I personally like overpacked like my entire room. And then when I had to move out, I was like, oh my God, I really don't wanna like do this right now. So
I mean, I had like a drying rack because I'm like a freak about my clothes. I don't
Hmm.
like them going in the dryer. So I got this like foldable one to help save space. And that was like a must have for me because if I put my stuff in the dryer, then it would shrink immediately. And I don't like that.
I think just storage.
Hmm. There's much less storage than you're probably used to once you move into a dorm.
And our dorm like hall or I guess facility has different room configurations.
Hmm.
So it's hard to determine like they do have floor plans online you can see. But we thought we thought our room was bigger than
Hmm.
it actually is. So just like being able to make sure you have enough room for storage and if you don't, then to figure out a way for your extra storage
Hmm.
to actually fit.